Hello everyone, I'm Bill and today we are going to solve the first question in the Caribou Summer Coding Contest. It is called preheating. Statement: a lot of recipes ask you to preheat an oven to a desired temperature. For time-saving purposes, it's nice to know how long that will take. If room temperature is n degrees Celsius, you want to get up to m degrees Celsius, and your oven heats up at a rate of k degrees Celsius per second. How many seconds will it take? Input. Input consists of a single line containing three space-separated integers n, m, and k respectively. Output. Output the minimum integer number of seconds such that the oven will have heated to at least the desired temperature after the number of seconds. Now we're going to write it in Python. So first, s is going to become the input. Now we're going to split s into three different variables: n, m, and then k. And then these are just going to become s split. And then every time it sees a space, it splits. So n, m, and k are the three space-separated numbers that were inputted. Now, these will all be three strings and not actual numbers. So we're going to use map, and then inside we write int, and then whatever you want to split. So now, instead of having three strings, we're going to have the three numbers. So time is going to become m minus n plus k, and then minus 1. And then divided by k. The reason I put two division signs is that one division sign will leave a decimal at t if it's not a whole number, but two division signs will have the same result, but it will lose the decimal after. So you see that I have rolled m minus n plus k minus 1. So the reason we put k minus 1 is because m minus n might be divisible by k, or it might not. So when we round down decimals, we will lose a second. Adding k minus 1 prevents adding an extra second when m minus n is divisible by k, but it also mimics rounding up when m minus n isn't divisible by k. So now we can just print the output. So now let's run it. So -4, 80, and then 5. This gives 17. So now let's try 5, 45, and 5. This gives 8. This is all for today. See you next time.